Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm off to outer space. I've always wanted to go to outer space. Hoa ke tātou. Whee! Maybe I can climb to outer space. Okay, here we go. It's not high enough. I'm gonna have to find something way taller. Okay. Whoa. Maybe I can swing high enough into space. You've got to be really strong to get to outer space. I think I found it. Whoa, check it out. It's a massive rocket ship. It's definitely gonna get me up to space. Come on! Oh, this is so awesome. I'm gonna go all the way to the top. We're off to space today, whānau. I wanna travel all the way to Mars. I might even be able to find Hawaii. Okay. I'm a little bit high, but I'm gonna go as high as I can. This might be the very tippy top. Who's ready to see what we found? Check this out, cuzzies. Wow, I can see everything from up here. I can see the trees, I can see the buildings. All the people look so tiny, they look like little ants down there. Kia ora! I'm gonna fly to Mars. It's been an amazing time hanging out with you guys today. Have an awesome day. Ka kite.